Welcome to our comprehensive guide to note-taking apps, specifically Anytype and Notion, two of the most popular options available in 2025. In this tutorial, we will explore the key features, benefits, and drawbacks of each app to help you determine which one is the best fit for your needs. First, let's start with Notion, a highly customizable and versatile note-taking app that has gained a large following in recent years. Notion allows users to create a wide range of content, from simple notes and to-do lists to complex databases and pages. Its flexibility and versatility make it a great option for individuals and teams looking for a robust note-taking solution. On the other hand, we have Anytype, a newer note-taking app that has quickly gained popularity due to its sleek design and user-friendly interface. Anytype offers a more streamlined and intuitive experience, with a focus on simplicity and ease of use. It also features a robust tagging system and advanced search functionality, making it easy to organize and find your notes. When it comes to features, both apps offer a range of tools and functionalities, including text formatting, image and file upload, and collaboration features. However, Notion has a more extensive range of features, including databases, calendars, and Kanban boards. Anytype, on the other hand, focuses on simplicity and ease of use, with a more limited set of features. In terms of pricing, both apps offer free versions, as well as paid upgrades with additional features and storage. Notion's free version offers 25 megabytes of storage, while Anytype's free version offers 100 megabytes of storage. Paid upgrades start at around $5 per month for both apps. So, which app is the best fit for your needs? If you're looking for a highly customizable and versatile note-taking app with a wide range of features, Notion may be the better choice. However, if you prefer a more streamlined and intuitive experience with a focus on simplicity and ease of use, Anytype may be the way to go. Ultimately, the best note-taking app for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. We recommend trying out both apps to see which one works best for you. By considering your specific needs and evaluating the features and benefits of each app, you can make an informed decision and choose the note-taking app that best fits your lifestyle and workflow.